Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about some body parts and simple sentences. In simple sentences I am explaining about some of the sentences which we use in our day-to-day life, and also body parts, like all the body parts I am explaining. Now let us take body means deha, parts means angagalu, body parts. Body is sharira or deha we call. Face, mukha, nose, ಮೂಗು. And next eye, kannu. N double N is nu. So you have to bend your tongue and touch the top. That will make you spell kannu. Then kannugalu. One kannu is kannu. Then two eyes is kannugalu. Mouth, bayi. Neck, kuttige. Teeth, hallu. Tooth, hallugalu. Okay, plural part is always we have to attach galu. Then hand, kai. Singular, one kai. Single hand is kai. Hands, kaigalu. Leg, kalu. Legs, kalugalu. Okay, finger, beralu. Fingers, beralugalu. You can observe now we are attaching galu for plural thing. So in Kannada, for for other things than human beings we use galu. Okay, for humans to plural ru, or there are different types of things which I take whenever the I am explaining about singular plural things like that. Then face, mukha, tongue, nalige, nail, uguru, nails, ugurugalu. Okay, ಕೂದಲು, hair, ಕೂದಲು, stomach, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ, shoulder, ಭುಜ, then two shoulders, ಭುಜಗಳು. Again here singular and plural. So we have to keep in mind about that. Chest, ಎದೆ, waist, ಸೊಂಟ, lip, ತುಟಿ, lips, ತುಟಿಗಳು, ear, ಕಿವಿ, ears, ಕಿವಿಗಳು. For two of them, again as I said, we have to attach galu. So whichever is two things in our body we can explain using galu. Then sole. Sole is angalu. Angalu means below the foot. Foot, pada, toe. Hebberalu. The toe finger is hebberalu. Heel, himmadi. Thigh, tode. Then simple sentences. Never mind. Never mind means parvagilla. Take care. ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರು. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. So these are general sentences which we use in our day-to-day life that I am explaining here. Go straight. Straight is ನೇರ, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗು. Come here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. With respect, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ also we can say ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. This with respect. Keep quiet, ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರು. Go away, ಹೊರಟು ಹೋಗಿ. That's also again with respect. Why not, ಏಕಾಗಬಾರದು. See you tomorrow, ನಾಳೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. Very well, ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. Again ಳ here capital L, ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಗುಡ್ ಬೈ, ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. Okay, so when we are going in Kannada we say ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. Go slowly, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ. Big ಧ here, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ. Go at once, ಕೂಡಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ. Take it or take this, both will be ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೋ or ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. With respect we can use that. Wait here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾದಿರು. I have written how to spell also in English, and also I have written in Kannada. So it will be useful for you how to spell and do. So please go through all the sentences and practice. See you in the next video.